back with another video for you guys. In this video, I'll be showing you guys the face mask I've been using in the past. I used to use it in the past, and now I'm using it regularly. There's a saying, guys, in my culture that your face is your passport. So that's when you take your face everywhere you go. So I like to take care of my face, guys. So make sure that I look good. So I don't have to depend on makeup, wearing makeup every day, or if I'm going to work, I'm going just outside, then I have to wear makeup. So I like to take care of my skin, the skin that's under your makeup. I like to take care of it. Okay, so that's why I'm sharing this with you guys. So if you like it, let me know down below and comment down below. Let me know what other face masks you use and what do you think about it. Okay, so let's get in right into this video. Okay, guys, this face mask can help brighten up your skin by giving you like a lighter complexion, natural lighter complexion. It also can treat acne problem. Like if you have acne, that can also help out. And also this face mask, it has antimicrobial property. It can detoxify, detoxify, detoxify your face. Okay, guys, so pretty much the ingredient is simple ingredient that you can find around your kitchen. It's nothing major to use. Okay, this is olive oil, glycerin, honey, lemon.
Okay, you guys, I just want to demonstrate exactly how I'm using this face mask. I'm using it pretty much because I just want to brighten my skin because I feel like there's some uneven spot on my skin. So all I did is just add some oil and rub this in my skin, guys, and add some glycerin. I'm rubbing it in my skin, and you can repeat that as much as you want. I just do it for about like 5 minutes, just rubbing it in. I add honey to keep my face moisturized. The glycerin will keep my face also moisturized also. So the lemon can be a little bit drying to your skin and also make your skin sensitive. So I don't use the lemon by itself. And I recommend if you do have sensitive skin, guys, just use it once a week. Me, I can use it like I use it 3 times a week or whenever I do have the time because I don't have a lot of time, guys. So I just rub it in my face, rub it in my lips, all over, guys. And just the smell of the lemon is just feels so good and so relaxing. I just keep repeating, add honey, glycerin, and rub it all over. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and try the face mask. Let me know exactly if you like it or if you try it. Okay, just comment down below. Let me know, guys. Thank you very much for watching. And I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of the video. Thank you.